All right, boys. Gonna be a tough one this weekend. Barka are extremely skilled. They dominate possession, and on the rare occasion they do lose the ball, they press high to get it back immediately. Fast counters and high balls are our only weapons. And that means our preparation for the game has to be perfect.
Wait! Coach, I can't watch one of your super entertaining tactical briefings without triple chalk marshmallow peanut butter popcorn!
Just hurry up, will you, Klaus?
Nearly done. Any second now. Oh Triple chalk marshmallow peanut butter popcorn, anyone?
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Supa Strikas.
Oh, disgusting.
So gross, dudes.
What kind of cleanup we looking at?
Popcorn.
Chocolate.
Marshmallow.
And don't forget the peanut butter.
Oh, sticky, oily, and crunchy.
How long is this going to take? We need to get to Barcelona as soon as possible.
At least 12 hours.
Nice one, brother.
Sorry, guys. I owe you one. You sure you don't want some triple chalk marshmallow? No?
El Matador! How long are you gonna be in the shower, dude?
I'll be out as soon as I've done my facial wash, cleanser, scrub, toner, cleanse scrubber, scrubber-dub-dubber.
No. Don't do it, man.
No.
Oh,
No, okay. You're definitely showering next.
Good luck getting in there in the next century.
Stuck at airport for 12 hours. Any ideas to save me from the boredom?
Trolley race!
Duty-free chocolate!
Airport curio shop!
More duty-free chocolate!
Stop slacking! Do some training for the Barka game!
All the duty-free chocolate!
Shakes, where do you think you're going?
I just want to look around. Stretch my legs. I'm going nuts here, coach.
Fine.
Yes!
But be quick. I don't want any more delays. Everything needs to be perfect for the Barka game.
What's this?
It's a Sipak takraw ball.
Is that like Kuju?
Sipak takraw isn't some old legend. It's the most awesome sport in the world.
Yeah, gonna have to disagree with you there. You don't get better than football.
Ha! Check out poster A42, then say that. Next one.
Wow. Psst.
Huh?
Klaus,
Shakes? What are you doing? Hiding there.
I found the perfect training for the Barka game, but I need to go do it without Coach finding out.
But Coach loves a new strategy. Why don't you just ask him?
Tiger, get away from there. Wet floors cause 1/16 of all ankle injuries. Sorry, Dancing Rasta. I can't risk paper cuts. Don't even think about it.
Virgo.
So, can you cover for me?
I don't know, Shakes. He's already angry at me from the whole triple chalk marshmallow peanut butter popcorn mishap.
Come on, it could really help against Barka. Besides, you said you owed us one. Anyone know where to catch some sepak takraw in Kuala Lumpur?
Check out the Aces take on mighty juggernauts.
Shakes is in KL! Hey, no sightseeing, only practice!
And duty-free chocolate. Can I get a photo? Come to my mom's house.
So much for keeping a low profile.
need to beat Barka.
North Shore! Bad posture causes injuries!
Come on, coach. You can't make us just sit here for like another 6 hours.
And how come Shakes gets to go off while we're stuck in the VI Please Make It End lounge?
Where is he?
Hi, this is Shakes. Leave a message.
Shake said he was going to the duty-free shop. It's way on the other side of the airport.
The rest of you stay exactly where you are.
Glad I'm not Shakes right now.
Totally.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom quickly.
Told him not to eat that stuff off his pants.
It all comes down to this, folks. Match point at the Supa Cross semifinal. Who's gonna take it? The Aces or the Juggernauts? The Aces are in the final!
Ah, my knee. Smashed it on the way down.
Do you think you'll be okay for tonight?
We're doomed! Maybe I can help.
Who are you?
Hey, did you see? Shakes from Super Strikas was here.
That? Shakes was here!
No way!
I heard Shakes was here.
Where exactly did Shakes go?
Well, I didn't actually see him.
But she did.
Man, oh man! Coach is gonna bust me!
To see a man go wide.
What's that? Shakes is signing boots at the sports store?
He could get a repetitive strain injury.
You guys don't watch a lot of soccer, do you?
Nope. We're all about the Supa to Craw.
Which is exactly why we're not gonna give some random newbie a place on the team.
Whoa!
Huh? Not bad for a newbie. But why you want to play for us? What's in it for you?
Just trying to take my game to the next level.
Okay, fine. We'll let you try out.
Yes! Awesome! One thing, though. What are the rules? Yeah, we're totally doomed!
Play along with what I say and I'll owe you one, okay?
Anything for a super striker.
Good. Now, if anyone asks, Shakes signed these boots.
Coach?
Did you see Shakes in here?
Yeah, he signed these boots.
This is Shakes' signature, but different. Like it was written by a child or a trained monkey.
You have a nice day now, Coach.
Thanks. I owe you one.
Wait. Sign these for me and we're square. Your name this time.
I gotta stop telling people I owe them one.
If you're gonna do anything but embarrass us tonight, newbie, you're gonna need to know some key moves. Inside kick.
Got it.
Outside kick.
Yep.
Knee kick.
Piece of cake.
Header.
I've definitely done that training.
Sunback spike.
I call that one a bicycle kick.
Wow! Maybe we're not that doomed.
Maybe, but if we really want to stand a chance tonight, you gotta do the roll spike.
Roll spike? Yes! Now that's what I need. Let me give it a try.
Forget what I said! We're definitely doomed! Huh?
I knew you amateurs were bad, but this guy? Wow.
You're right to hide your face, 'cause you're embarrassing yourself.
Who are these weirdos?
Ugh, wish you hadn't asked that.
Here we go.
Venom.
Rattler.
Hiss.
Together we are...
That is our opposition.
Shakes to the VIP lounge, please. Shakes, VIP lounge.
Where is he?
The brother is addicted to Natter. Maybe try message him there.
Natty, hey?
No, Natter.
Dear Shakes, where have you gone? I have been looking everywhere for you. Our flight leaves in 3 hours. Come back to the VIP lounge right now, or... Hey, I think it's broken.
No, it isn't. You only get 120 characters.
What? That's stupid. How do you say anything in such a short amount of space?
I don't know.
We manage.
Somehow.
Oh, very clever.
Lol.
Are you really gonna wear that?
I'm kind of shy. Besides, it's not like there's a dress code.
You have a point.
Welcome to the Kuala Lumpur Sepak Takraw Final. It's the Vipers.
Give me a V.
Vipers for life!
The title's ours!
Versus the Aces.
Go, Aces! We're gonna win this!
Hey, who's the new guy?
Still no reply on Natty.
Natter!
That's it. Unless I actually see Shakes, I'm calling the police.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Hello? I'd like to report, never mind. Hey, Shakes! Stop right there!
First set to the Aces.
Man, where did they find that guy?
Pipeline, get over here. Someone's gotta know who our mystery man is.
Shakes is in KL.
Can I get a photo? Come to my mom's house.
Our flight leaves in 3 hours.
I know who he is. And how to stop him. Hey, Supa fans, don't miss Shakes playing in the Sepak Takraw Final.
Vipers!
Hey, Vipling, you gotta earn the right to do that move. Not cool, little buddy.
Guys? According to Natter, Shakes is busy playing in the final of some kind of crazy volleyball soccer tournament.
Oh, man. Coach is gonna lose his mind when he finds out.
So, is he winning?
Joe, to me!
Strikas! Yeah!
This is not good.
The second set goes to the Vipers.
Focus, newbie. You're all over the place.
I just gotta go take care of something quick.
Okay, now we're 100% doomed!
Please say no one saw me.
Don't miss Shakes playing in the Sepak Takraw
Apparently,
Final.
Shakes is playing Sepak Takraw in Kuala Lumpur.
Any
photos? Totally photoshopped.
Fake news.
Phew. No proof. Yet. Hey, I'm in here!
We know. Shakes. Why don't you call your coach for help? Oh, right. He doesn't know you're here.
Let's settle this on the court. Not like this.
No use fighting it.
'Cause you've just been bitten by the vipers.
You're doing the pose, aren't you?
Duh.
Hurry up, Shakes!
If your teammate isn't back in 5 minutes, you forfeit.
Double doomed! Rumors are true. I'm rocking some sepak takraw, but I'm stuck in the locker room. Help, got a game to win. Man, coach is gonna kill me.
Oh no! Hey, did you guys see Shakes over there?
Shakes!
Did you hear Shakes from Super Strikas?
Gotcha now.
Shakes!
Wow, it really is you!
Who did you say you were again?
Just some guy who wants to take his game to the next level.
Good enough for me.
1, 2, 3, aces! That feels kind of weird.
Match point aces.
Shakes, if we're gonna win this, you gotta change things up.
Gotta do the roll spike.
I don't know. That didn't end so well last time.
Come on, you're Shakes from Super Strikas. Or so these crazy fans keep shouting.
Shakes! 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 Yeah!
Shakes!
Woohoo! Nice improvisation, newbie. But you still haven't got the roll spike down.
Yeah, I'll have to work on it.
That's it, Shakes. We're leaving in 30 minutes. If you don't come out there right now, I'm gonna bash down this door. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Coach.
Shakes? Where have you been?
Oh, you know, I had to sleep, some food, sent a few gnats. You said take it easy, right?
Fine. Just get back to the VIP lounge, okay? Wait. One more thing. Please delete Natter off my phone. I can't deal with it constantly beeping at me.
Sure thing, Coach.
Match day at the folk camp. Barka take on Super Strikas.
So, what are the rules of this game again? Barka are showing why they're the team to beat.
Ooh, but here is a chance.
Speculative ball from Dancing Rasta. But Klaus makes a lightning-fast run.
Wow! Looks like he's been doing some serious fitness training.
Klaus has options.
But it's moving all over the place.
Roll spike! Where on earth did that come from? You finally got it. Not bad. For a newbie,